Hello there, Miguel Martinez Juarez here. In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to guarantee that your goal will manifest. Okay. Now, I want to talk about how this benefits you. Right. First and foremost, it'll give you the life that you want. Okay, whatever it is. It could be in love, health, wealth, your goals, specific goals, right? Um, they have to be goals that you are moving towards, something that's new, something that gives you more. Okay, it's okay to have more. All right, it's okay. When you have more, you can give more, right? So why would you want less, right? See that? So then you can't give less. You're kind of going against growth. Okay, and that's natural. Growth is natural. Okay, having more is natural. Now, I want to talk about more about things you've manifested in your life. Okay, good or bad, right? Think about a time where you were worried, maybe you were worried about something and then it happened, right? Or you wanted to have a certain car and then you manifested it into your life. Somebody sold it to you, somebody gave it to you, you kept on seeing it everywhere. Okay, for example, let's use a simple one. Okay, let's use a simple example. Something that you probably manifest all the time. It's food. You probably manifest food all the time. You think about, oh, I probably visualize a Reese's peanut butter cup or a cup of coffee, and then somebody offers you a cup of coffee, or you remember that you have coffee in the back of your cabinets, whatever it is, or you go to the store and you see the coffee and you're like, oh wow, that's what I was looking for, right? You manifested it into your life. Okay, so first it was a thought, then it became a thing. Okay, an actual thing, and that's how all things are created. It's just that we believe that we can do certain things versus not others, right? And you have to be at a certain vibration for them. You have to vibrate at that level. Okay, so now how do we guarantee that this happens, right? Most of the time we do this unconsciously. Okay, unconsciously we don't have no attachment to our ideas and they happen. Okay, because the basic principle is this. Okay, thoughts held in the mind, felt as if they were real, right? So you feel them as they were real, and then let go of, right, and worked upon, will cause them to be created into your life. Okay, because there's no resistance. You let go of the outcome. You're just like doing it. Oh, you're having fun. You're joyful. You're happy, and you do it and you get it done. Okay. Now, you guarantee a manifestation, a creation, when you understand the law. Okay, how things are created, the law of creation, what I just mentioned to you. Okay, what I just previously mentioned. So I hope you wrote that down. Okay, because you cannot prove the creation of something or the how of something until it's already here. Okay, until it's already here, and then that's when your conscious mind already sees these things. Okay, and then you can work backwards on how that happened, right? You could say you found a coffee, the type of coffee you were thinking about, right? Folgers coffee. You thought about Folgers coffee. You went to the store, you found it, and right. So you think backwards. Say, oh yeah, so I wanted to buy bananas, and I went to Stater Brothers, or your local grocery store, Kroger, and got the bananas. And right next to the bananas, the coffee was there, and you got it. Exactly the same image of the coffee container that you remember, and you got it. Okay, so there you go. Now your conscious mind has the understanding. However, for you to create something in your mind, okay, and manifest it and guarantee that it will manifest, is understanding the law, understanding the process of creation, okay, which is all things first come from the mind, okay, and therefore you're not in doubt or in worry, okay, and thinking about how is this gonna come, how is this gonna come, okay. The moment you start thinking about how is this gonna come, and start getting anxious, that's when you cut off the supply, the flow of energy and focus to your goal, because you got to focus on your goal as it is already done. Okay, and wait for the inspirations to take, right? The actions to take, not thinking about how's it gonna come in an anxious, doubtful, fearful way. Okay, do it through understanding. Okay, understanding. Okay, and faith. Okay, understanding these laws. Okay, the law of creation. Thoughts and feelings create your reality. It's that simple. Okay, it's really that simple. Thoughts and feelings create your reality. Now, focus on your thought with faith and understanding. Don't allow doubt to come in. And the only way you prevent doubt from coming in is by focusing on the law. Okay, understanding of the laws of creation. Okay, understanding these laws. That's the only way you can prevent those doubts from coming in, because your comprehension, your understanding of the laws will allow you to be at peace and will allow you to be resistance free. So when the things that come into your conscious mind that are going to lead you to your goal, or your intuition, your intuitive feelings of taking some sort of action, people call this inspired action, you'll take it in faith, okay, in understanding versus worry. Okay, so that's how you guarantee your goal will be created, whatever it is, anything you want, okay. And this is how you understand how this works. Okay, universal mind or spirit is unlimited life. Okay, it is in everything. Okay, universal life, it is universal life. Okay, what is also life? Life is growth. In growth there's power, so it's unlimited power. Okay, so when you use God or the universal mind, you have unlimited power. Okay, imagine harnessing the power of the universe, of God, to create your own specific goal. Yes, you can do that. Okay, and that's why you're here. You're here to do that. Okay, but you need to understand that. Okay, unlimited power and unlimited intelligence. Okay, yeah. So God, it has two characteristics. Okay, it's not an individual, but it does have characteristics. Okay, and that is that it is law, it is procedure. Okay, it is law, it is procedure. Okay, and it is intelligence, it is life. Okay, it has the means, the steps for you to take, and it'll present them to you. Okay, all right, and it's unlimited power. So when you understand this, what you ask for and feel the feelings of it already done, because it already is in the spiritual realm, in your mind, in the thought. And you hold it there. Okay, with understanding, it's going to come into your conscious physical realm. Okay, it's just the law. Okay, and that's how it's guaranteed. So rewatch this again so you can let it sink in. Okay, take some notes, maybe teach somebody. Okay, teach somebody so this can stick, right, and you can understand more. And it's gonna take time for you to get it all. Okay, it takes repetition. Okay, repetition. Okay, I hope you like this one. If you want more resources, check below. I wrote a few books on the subject, right, on how to manifest. So check those resources out, and thank you. Until next time, much love. Okay, much love, and I wish you happiness.